right, Ed's Garage and Grill. Here with my good buddy Raj. Look at him working.
Playing with a fire truck.
We are loading the fire truck up. It's going for a brief pit stop at my storage warehouse. And then it's going to my buddy Ben Pittman. He wants a 51 Plymouth that I bought. That's a roller. So I'm trading him the Plymouth to put this joker back together, running and driving. He's gonna drop the motor in it. So we're doing some shop Jenga, getting loaded for the next series of projects. Got the lift pulled out. It's gonna go right here. That 57 right there is coming in right here. Hopefully we're gonna get enough room between that 57 over there on the lift and get two vehicles in and out of here. The Chevelle and that Ford truck, or what else, Rod?
Camaro.
Tell them what we're doing, Rod.
Pull Artie away from the corner.
Artie needs to get out of timeout. He's been in timeout.
Artie needs to come on out. Get off his attitude.
Yeah. All right, boys and girls. Y'all pray that we get this big old behemoth on that trailer. We just put the winch on there. Here, I'll show you this. What the hell? That's my new tilt deck trailer. Today, pulled it in the shop, mounted a winch plate, cut old raggedy jack that was on it that didn't have work off, and Rod welded it up. We got a nice jack. So we're gonna see if we can get that fire truck drug up on here. Y'all wish us luck. All right, boys and girls. Attempt number 1 and 2 did not work. We had to reposition. What do you think, Raj?
I think number 3 gonna do the ticket.
We almost there, and we were trying to go on backwards so it'd be easier to unload at the shop where we're going. But that little bitty ATV winch pulling that heel was not gonna have it. And we had to flip it around backwards because ultimately them back fenders back there wouldn't clear them fenders.
I bet it would clear now, though.
So we're gonna try it. This took less time to reposition all this than us fooling around with try number 1 and 2. All right, more later. Boys and girls,
I couldn't get Artie on the
this damn thing has done whipped these two boys. Look at that conglomeration. That plus a winch, plus old rods in it, operating a brake. The damn thing's so damn long, we get it, the back tires be over here, and we get it long enough on the trailer, and the automatic tilt on the trailer to tilt up, kicking the damn ass of the trailer up and stopping on the tires. We had to put a floor jack under the front to hold it up. Pull it forward till the tires touch the back, then let the floor jack down. It was a royal pain in the ass.
But it's loaded.
We got it, Rod.
It's loaded.
And I think we earned us a crown and ginger or 2. Catch y'all later.